Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. In this video, we'll understand how to find simple interest and compound interest by using C programming language. Let's start with an empty file. So first I'll write down a header file of standard input output by using stdio.h. In this video, we'll use one more header file, that is #include math.h, as we are going to use some mathematical equations or formulas. That's why we are using this one also. Let's start with integer main function. So here I am writing with integer main function. So first of all, we'll declare integer p, that is principal amount, and then t, that is time. So these two things are quite common in all. Now I am going to write down float r, because rate will be in point manner. So float r, float simple interest, and then amount I'm going to use, and then compound interest. So these things which we required as a like in a decimal point way, that's why I'm using that in float data type. Now printf, I'm using a printf statement to put like please enter. So first I'll take principal, then I'll take after that time from the user, and then I'll take time and rate of interest. I'll ask for these three things, rate of interest. So then I'll use scanf to assign those values to particular, like %d first will be, time will be also in %d integer, but rate of interest will be in float way, so %f format specifier. And after that comma ampersand, first of all principal will go for %p, comma, then time will go for %t variable, comma, ampersand, the rate of interest will go for r variable. So here these three variables got the value now. Now it's time to go for simple interest. So SI, simple interest, is equal to, we know that P into T into R divided by 100. So here simple interest. Now we are done with the simple interest calculation, and then we are going to print the same. So using printf statement, I'm going to print the result that the with the /n simple interest is, and that will be like, suppose I'm putting a format specifier for %.3f. So I'm using 0.3f because I want the answer till 3 decimal points only, comma, simple interest. So this is all about simple interest. Now moving towards for compound interest, so I'm just moving this like little down, and I'm going to do the compound interest. So amount, first of all I have to calculate. Amount equals to, for compound interest, amount equals to p, principal amount, into power of, so we have a power function, that's why we are using math.h header file, 1 plus r divided by 100, and what I'll do is comma t. So this is x and this is y. So this is x raised to t, that is the first variable is this, and the second variable is this of power function. So here I'm using semicolon, and then I'll calculate compound interest is equal to amount, so that we get amount here, amount minus p, that is principal amount. And this way I'm going to printf my resulting statement as printf the compound interest is, and then I'm also showing it to, so here I'll put is equal to instead of that, because it's a mathematical term. So I'll put is equal to %.3f, and then comma ci. a semicolon. So here I have written this like a printf for simple interest and a printf for compound interest. Now what I'll do is I'll save this file as interest.c, and then I'm going to build this file. If build finished with 0 error, let's run this file. So I'm putting principal as 50,000 and time as 5 years and rate of interest as 4.5 and click enter. So here it is showing us simple interest is 11,250 and compound interest is 12,309. Let's use one /n over here so that it will be completely visible properly, and let's build and run it again. 50,000, 4.5, and let's use, okay, so we have used time as 4 years and 4.5 is the rate of interest. So here can use simple interest is 9,000 while compound interest will be 9,625. Till it is showing only 3 decimal number because we have used a format specifier as 0.3f. So I hope you understood how to calculate a simple interest and how to calculate a compound interest by using mathematical function and by using some functions of C programming language and a logic like this. I hope you understood today's program. Thank you.